how many times, either you have to hire a appointment booker, or maybe you have to, I want you. Well, I put it like this. I want you to imagine that you're getting leads. So what we do is we send leads to this credit repair funnel, right? A very simple credit repair funnel. It converts at 60%. So when we talk about how to get quality leads, understand the reason that your leads aren't that good is a couple reasons. Number one is that the source of where you're getting your leads. So what? Let's say you're doing Facebook ads, but the thing is, they see an ad. It says, "Hey, get your credit fixed," and from there, what most people do is it just tells them to put in their information, and understand that the easier the process is to get in a name, a number, and a phone number, like people aren't going to be quality people. I want you to just kind of just it's real obvious actually. Hey, if you walk around the street and to somewhere which maybe a lot of people have bad credit, but also people got bad jobs, no jobs, and you're asking them, hey, I can fix your credit, but you know they don't have any money. So why are you asking people with no money or attracting people with no money? You want to attract people that got some money. So the way we do this online is we run different types of Facebook ads. We send them to this page. Now, what's cool about this page is because there's a specific questionnaire that we're always running here, and that questionnaire is basically it's like the filter from bad leads and good leads. And just to define what a good lead is someone that has some money, number one, ready to get started, number two, and well, that's really it. They have the money, they're ready to get started, and they answer the phone when you give them a call for a credit analysis. Overall, that's a pretty good lead. A lot of these leads y'all guys have, they don't have the money, their phone's barely on, they never answer the phone, they act like they don't know you. But doing this, it helps. It doesn't help, but it just makes the person that's filling this out, they have to be very intentional about this. They actually have to read this and look at it. Not only that, you know where they stand at. What's your approximate yearly income? What is your source of income? Employed. Now, they go in, they put in their name. For example, I'm Olin. Last name Douglas. Boom. And then let's say I put in a number, right? So I want to tell you something else is that most people do not answer the phone because you haven't responded to them quick enough. So what I mean by that is when someone's ready to get their credit repaired, why are you taking a day, 2 days, 3 days, 4 days, 5 days, sometimes even a week to just call to respond to that person? It needs to be less than 30 seconds, you know? And I know as a business owner, you can't do every single thing. And you can't respond to everyone as soon as possible. So that's why we put together this funnel. So when they go ahead and fill this out and they say they would like to do a they would like to schedule an event, right? So what happens is once they do their qualifications, they come over here and based on however long you schedule based on your calendar, it shows the available dates. Now I want to show you something else that's really cool that you probably didn't catch. A lot of people are like, well, why y'all got like 1, 2, 3 openings? What most people do is they leave the calendar open where that person could book at any time, at any moment. That's not smart. The reason it's not smart is because if I book on the 15th and it's the 7th, I'm going to forget about this booking and I'm not going to even be concerned about it anymore. You know what I mean? So you want to make sure that, it's a couple days from the actual day. So with this, you can do that. But what happens if they fill that information in and they don't book, right? So the first thing is, this is the back end of the credit repair lead system. Now, if we go to the conversation tab right here, what happens automatically is when I filled this in, I got a text message to my phone that I got a new website lead. That's number one. Text message came to my phone. Not only that, I have this the credit repair lead system app on my phone too. So I got notified I have a lead. So that's number one. Number two is my automation system. Check this out. This is what is really cool. So understand the client name is Olin. So automatically what happens is it says, hey, Olin, this is a credit consultant at Credit Repair Company, which it would be your credit repair company. Would you like to book a call so that we can help you purchase your dream car? Now think about what that just did. It didn't say, would you like to book a call? It says to purchase your dream car. Because that's what the person said that they wanted to do. They said after they fix their credit, they want to purchase a dream car. Now, it was an option where they could have put anything. So how it looks at it looks like the system, it looks like this could be a real person because they just took the information that person said and restated it. Now, on my phone, I'm going to pretend I'm the client, right? So I got a message. I'm like, oh, would you like to book a book a call? Because the thing is, I just filled this out. So I'm going to say, yes. Yeah, I would like to book a call. Now, 9 times out of 10, what most people would do is they would have some type of VA or some type of appointment setter. Now, what this automation automatically will do for you is that based on your availability, it's going to go ahead and schedule this appointment for you. So it's going to say, oh, well, here's some available days, and then on my end, on my phone, I'm going to just be like, well, let's do Tuesday. Tuesday, cool. So as you can see, we currently have one opening Tuesday at 4 p.m. Does that work? Yes. Boom. So now I said yes, right? So what the system went ahead and did is it booked in the appointment. Hey, Olin, this is Olin. Your appointment is for Tuesday at 4 p.m. Has been confirmed. Now, only thing you would do as a business owner when you sign up to the credit repair lead system is you go look at your appointments because you're going to have leads coming in and the system's going to be booking the appointments similar to that. And you come here and you would say, okay, well, looky here. I got an appointment at 4 p.m. Cool. Now, let me share with you why people don't show up to their appointments. Because no one reminds them. And not only that, what's really cool about this system is if you have Identity IQ or whatever your modern system, wherever you do the credit analysis in, right? It's going to say, we're excited to talk to you and I want to personally congratulate you taking steps to work. This is something that you would have to do every single time that you have someone schedule an appointment, but this does this fully automatically. So it says, use the link below to access your credit report for a consultation. It only costs $1. Now, you know what's cool about this is that you simply can go in the software, insert your affiliate link, and it's automatically going to populate down here. So when someone goes ahead and registers for a credit consultation, they sign up for the credit monitoring, you get your affiliate commission with this process. So what most people do, they listen, they go and follow instructions, and then there's even when on the site, there's even when they click that link, the client is able to put in their credit monitor information in here as well. It shows them a video of how to get their identity IQ and where and how to send it to you so that you can do a credit analysis on this page as well. So before you even give them a call, you can go to their contact information, click on contacts in your system, guys. Now, once you do that, gotta wait for it to load for a little bit. Give it a second. Once you do that, you can either go to contacts or you can go to opportunities, right? So also what's cool is, look at this. It's automatically in your opportunities tab. It automatically lets you know that you already have one appointment scheduled for today. And it's cool because each time you drag this and take it somewhere, it's a new automation that automatically happens. But let's say I click on my client's name and I want to know the information they submitted. Okay, cool, not a problem. All you have to do is click this icon right here, survey submitted. And now when we get on the phone with them, we know when they're trying to get started ASAP. We know if they're willing to set up, obviously, if they schedule an appointment, they're willing to set up credit monitoring. We know something with student loans, they want to purchase a dream car, and we know how much money they're making. So when people say to me, hey, how do you produce quality leads? Well, we don't produce the quality leads. The leads qualify themselves, and therefore, that's what makes them quality. So that right there is how you automatically get the system to book an appointment for you and automatically get the system to make sure you have quality leads on your pipeline. Now, I want you to imagine 30 to 50 of these coming in each and every month. You know if they have money, you know when they're ready to get started, you know how much money they're making, and you don't have to lift a finger. Honestly, I did not lift a finger here. Not only that, great, book for Tuesday. It's going to let the person know, remind the person so they show up to that appointment. I believe it's an hour before the appointment, a day before the appointment, and 30 minutes before the appointment, 15 minutes before the appointment. And not only that, if you forget about the appointment, the system will call your phone, then call them for the appointment. So that's what really makes this really awesome. Like I said, if you want to know more about this, what you can do is go ahead and get the free trial at creditrepairleadsystem.com/14-day/free/trial. Sign up, 14-day free trial. And in this, not only do you get the 14-day free trial, you also get you get access to me where I'm going to be teaching, coaching, mentoring, and training you on how to grow a automated, profitable credit repair business. All right, guys. So I just wanted to show you guys that, and I'm about to head out of here. Peace.